This faceless YouTube channel is earning a staggering monthly income of up to $42,000. And they've achieved this remarkable success by simply uploading text-based shorts. If you examine their channel closely, you'll notice that they have hundreds of posts. You might be thinking that it would take an immense amount of time to achieve such results. However, I'm here to show you that it doesn't have to be a lengthy process. The best part? It can all be accomplished using AI. Yes, you heard it right. AI can generate the short itself as well as its title, description, tags, and hashtags. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can create 500 YouTube shorts absolutely free in a matter of minutes. I'll guide you through selecting a profitable niche, generating short ideas, and creating the actual shorts. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Choosing a profitable niche. The first step in creating your YouTube Shorts empire is to decide on a profitable niche. To help us with this, we'll turn to ChatGPT, an AI-powered language model. Open ChatGPT and ask it, "Please give me good niches for bulk shorts creation." The shorts will display facts about this niche. You can also ask it, "Please provide me 20 popular niches for text-based shorts theme pages that have big potential for monetization." For this video, we'll choose the niche of food facts. Step 2. Generating facts for the chosen niche. Once you've selected your niche, you can teach ChatGPT to generate facts about the chosen niche in a specific style. Ask ChatGPT to come up with true food facts that fit a specific style, with the first part designed to pique people's curiosity about the second part. Provide a few examples and ask ChatGPT if it understands the style. Once ChatGPT understands, ask it to create 30 facts and categorize them in an Excel-style table. You can always ask for more facts by typing, "Please continue." Once you have the table, copy it to Microsoft Excel and download it as a CSV file. Step 3. Creating a custom template in Canva. Now it's time to bring your YouTube Shorts to life using Canva, a user-friendly design tool. Open Canva and search for mobile video templates in the Home tab. Select a template and click Customize this template. If the template contains a voiceover or text, delete it. Adjust the timeline at the bottom to 10.5 seconds. The first part of the video will be an attention-grabbing hook that lasts 8 seconds. Then create a 1-second pause followed by the second part, which is 1.5 seconds long. Let's create a custom template for our shorts. Click on the Text tab on the left side and add a text box. Type in the niche of your short, in our case, food facts. Customize the font style, size, and color to your liking. Add a background to the text. Add some roundness to make it look smooth and apply an animation, such as a fade effect. Duplicate the text box and name the duplicates Part 1 inch and Part 2. Move both text boxes to the center of the screen. Adjust the durations of the text boxes to match the desired timing. 8 seconds for Part 1, 1.5 seconds for Part 2, with a 1-second pause in between. Add your channel's handle at the bottom. Then click the Edit Video button and enhance the visual appeal by increasing the vignette to 100 for a center focus. Step 4. Adding viral sound and automation. To make your short stand out and keep viewers engaged, let's add some viral sound. Visit the website Toontank to choose a track that matches the mood you want to convey. For our shorts, we'll go with euphoric, happy, and hopeful moods. Perfect. This sounds good. Let's download the track. Now let's head back to Canva and add the viral track. Awesome! Now our video template is ready. To automate the process, insert the quotes from the CSV file into the template. Click on Add in the left sidebar and search for Bulk Create. Upload the CSV file and connect the text boxes with the table data. Ensure there are no errors by checking the check marks. Click Continue and then Generate Pages to create your shorts automatically. Step 5. Downloading and conclusion. As you can see, Canva does not multiply the audio automatically. But you can easily copy the audio and paste it under the other shorts. Congratulations! You've successfully created multiple YouTube shorts using AI and Canva. To download all your shorts, simply click on Share, then Download, and select All Pages. And you are good! With this powerful method, you can generate hundreds of YouTube shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikToks effortlessly. The possibilities are endless. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy creating, and see you in the next one.